Today's recipe is based on one of my all-time favorites, spicy pork belly marinated with Korean chili sauce, finished with Hawaii Kai's kiawe smoked sea salt. This sea salt is very unique because the kiawe trees grow only in Hawaii. And it's made from a slow cold smoked process which yields a beautiful dark caramel smoked sea salt with a sweet and light mesquite nose. The spicy pork belly goes very well with rice, but today I have prepared some chipotle ciabatta rolls to make it into a sandwich. It's equally delicious. In a bowl, we'll mix half a cup of gochujang fermented Korean chili sauce. And next, half a cup of low-sodium soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of organic cane brown sugar. A tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. And we always want to put some sesame oil. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon. And lastly, 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Give it a good mix. If you can't get gochujang sauce, you can substitute it with sriracha hot sauce and combine it with some ketchup and some oyster sauce. It doesn't taste quite the same, but very close. So I have julienne, half a medium brown onion into thin strips here. And for this recipe, I've prepared about 1.5 pounds of pork belly. Very fresh, pre-sliced to a thickness about 1/8 of an inch. So we'll add them to the marinade along with the sliced onion. In goes the pork belly and the sliced onion. Set it aside and cover it and in the fridge for at least an hour before we start cooking it. In a pan over medium-high heat, we'll saute the spicy pork belly. Since there's sesame oil in it, I'm not going to add any more cooking oil in there. Butter the slider buns lightly and then toast it on the grill. And when it's done, we'll spread the mayonnaise on the buns. And to this, we'll place the cooked pork belly on top of the lettuce. And we'll sprinkle this beautiful smoky kiawe salt over the pork belly for a nice smoky flavor and slight crunch. Kiawe smoked sea salt is wonderful when mixed in with your favorite rub for barbecue beef and pork, and it's also great with grilled shellfish and salmon, not to mention on roasted potatoes and chicken. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.